Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are making the butter dosa, or in Kannada we can call the most favorite, that is benne dosa. So for that, in a dosa pan I have added oil. Then I'll be applying the onion. Applying onion is the best and it gives the real so tastiest flavor. Then add water, sprinkle on it. Then take around 2 to 3 2 bowl you can use, or you can use your spoon. As you can see, I'm using here round spoon. So batteries I have done before itself. So if you need the batter recipe, I'll sure upload it once again. So this is only about the how to make the butter dosa, or we can call benne dosa, the most Karnataka special, that is benne dosa. So now applying the butter, you can apply the butter according to your need, how much you like. And this is what I have applied here, the butter. So you can see it almost turned into the brown color. You should wait, you can see that how it comes. The taste is just mouth watering, you will just love it after having this, the butter dosa. So it is ready. You can have it with your coconut chutney, sambar, and the aloo curry.